Alright guys, check this one out. I'm excited about this. It's a Turbo LS station wagon, GM wagon. It's like a Malibu wagon, I believe. Holley Terminator EFI, pump gas steel, got a low boost level in it for now, but yeah, gonna be cool, so check it out. Alright, I'm stoked to tune this thing today. So this is one of our engine combinations. It's got one of our custom camshafts. We work with Dyno on our profiles. They do the cam work for us. So this is one of our custom LS cams, turbo setup. It's a precision 76 mil. It's got a 0.9 AR turbine housing on it. Worried that it's a little bit small for what we're doing. This thing is 6 liter. It's a 364 cube with the bore size, but yeah, cathedral port head deal still. This has just got a pack 1219X spring in it, nothing too crazy. So yeah, the only downside of this, I'm excited about it, but we've got a 10-pound gate spring in it. We don't have a boost controller on it at all yet. He's worried about wanting to implement that a little bit later. This is his first moderate powered car he's had, so we're going to take it a little slow with this one while he gets accustomed to it. It is a Turbo 400. I'll show you the interior in a second. Still got the back seat in it. How cool is that? But Turbo 400 reverse manual valve body. He's got the Holley dash in it to work with the Holley Terminator. He did the cage work himself. He did the fab work on the turbo setup himself. It's just it's got a radial tire on it. This thing's got like just the right amount of patina. It's like, I really like it. I'm into I don't know, I just like patinaed stuff that makes some decent horsepower. I don't want to call them really sleepers anymore because like everybody and their brother's got one, but they just seem like you can have so much more fun with them and not have to worry about keeping the thing as clean and that kind of deal. So but yeah, I'm stoked to get into this thing. He's been driving it around. It's got like 40-50 miles on it, so I'm probably gonna do all of our part throttle stuff. It's still got some Joe Gibbs brake-in oil in it, which is what we prefer to use. The driven BR50 stuff. So I'll get some good heat into the drive line and we'll yeah, go from there, start making some hits with it. I don't know what to expect for power. I'm hoping it makes, I don't know, probably mid 500s, I'd guess, on 10 pounds through an unlocked Turbo 400. Maybe it'll do a little bit better, but yeah, we'll see. that's a wrap for this thing. Made 571 horsepower, 557 foot-pounds of torque. So it's got a TCI converter in it. The converter's a little loose on the hit. That's why the spike here, it just kind of comes into that hard, and the inertia makes it read a little higher at the initial hit there. But that's from say 54 to 6500. But yeah, it's 9.8 pounds up top and like 10.2 at the hit. So again, we don't have boost control on this thing now. We need to add it yet. But yeah, that number through, I mean, I don't know a ton about TCI's converters as far as dyno numbers go. And obviously the torque converter plays a huge factor in our final number, right? But yeah, definitely happy with that on only 10 pounds on pump gas. I'll be super excited to get a boost controller on this thing. And then we talked briefly before about putting a flex fuel sensor in it and running the setup on E85 as well. So but yeah, just the start for this one, but still happy. Gonna be cool, gonna be fun. So hope you guys like it.